I'm just about to finish up this piece. I'm darkening in these letters with a micron pen. So I've already gotten some of them done before I logged you on. This is going to be a fairly short video. Then I will add that glow of the lamp. So that should be fun. I've already cleaned off a sponge. And then I need to decide which glow. Am I going to use a pale yellow? Am I going to use a bright orange? I'm thinking more pale yellow because obviously we still want to see the words. If this was just the image and no words, then I would probably go with a little more intensity. Should get my hand the other way. I said that earlier. When your hand is coming up the wrong way, it's going to tend to shake and wiggle. And then it's not going to be, get something off to my right here on my table, and it's making it harder for me to get my hand in position. There we go. Okay, and then the last little bit, I don't expect the glow to come down this far, but it could. So this has to be done before the glow comes in, because if I do it later, there'll be black lines on top of that light, and that's not going to make sense. So there we go, almost done. And my hand cramps up because I'm like holding my pencil, my marker rather, too tight. Alrighty, that looks pretty good. I like that. Alrighty, so it was a number 3 micron pen that I talked to you about a little bit earlier. I like those. Okay, this sponge looks dirty, but it is cleaned off. And I am going to decide now which color. This would be another good use of tracing paper, deciding where this is gonna go, and what color would look good. But I have some edge of the paper that I could run some of this yellow or orange on. So I'm gonna try one of the colors I'm considering. It's actually the tint of tint of Derylite yellow. So it's almost more of an orange. And I do like that because I've got orange in there. And then it's almost a peach. Well, not really, it's a yellow. There it is. And then I also have this yellow, which is actually, it's Hansa yellow. It's almost a lime green, but when it's tinted down, it looks more like a yellow. So I'm gonna try that here. And, boy, that's a tough call, but I think I'm gonna go with this yellow, and I could always add a few swipes of that other one in there. So there is some dirt on this. See, not dirt, but old color. So I'm gonna clean that, since this is going to be a nice tint. I want it to be dirt-free, or other color-free, I guess is the word. So I'm gonna just pick up some of that with my thing. This has got a nice point. I can squeeze it if I need to. So it's a wonderful little set of sponges. I got them in the makeup aisle at some store I was in. I always check out the sponges. Don't use them on my face very often, but I use them on my artwork. Okay, let's see now. If I was a lamp, where would my light go? So it's gonna come out of here and down mainly, but sometimes it can go up. But in my mind, I'm gonna start with it down here and then decide, because it seems, I know the light can glow all around, but it feels like it wouldn't go up. it would just kind of cast down. So that's what we're going to start with. And I said I did spray this. I sprayed this with a workable fix. So this should not smear what's underneath. It could a tiny bit, but not, it's not going to pick up the blue and pull blue through with the yellow. So it's very important in this technique to spray it with a fixative and let it dry a couple hours here as well as working on something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this through. See it is pulling up some stuff. So now I will clean my sponge and grab some more. And I might have to do single swipes, knowing that that did pick up some of that. So here we go. Yep, it did pick some up. I'll do that again and show you the next time. See, I'll pick some up. So I'm gonna go, just have to clean it. That's just the way it goes. Oh, see, it did smear a little of that flour, even though I sprayed it. So, might have to look into another fixative that doesn't, it isn't workable fix. It's solid, you know, that it's not going to allow you to work anymore. Let's see. One swipe at a time here. So each one is taking up a little bit of color. Now, I like that. I like that hint of a light coming through. I think that's pretty. I'm going to do just a tad bit of this orange. Now that's letting me put a little more in without picking up as much color. I know you might look at this and go, oh my gosh, you put all that work in and now you smeared over it. But it's got to look like a light, right? I like that. I like that a lot. I think that's very pretty. So there we go. I'll spray it again and we're done. I've already signed this when I did the ink work on this, so this piece has already been signed. This will be the cover of the first coloring book. Listen to me, like there's going to be many more. I don't know, that might be the only coloring book. And it is going to just be called Lamp and Light. So that's it. There you have it. Thanks for watching.